Hello everyone, this is your lecturer Hajirah Farooq, and today I'm going to be summarizing for you the lectures of Fundamentals of Marketing for cohort 10, and this summary is going to be about the lectures of week 3 and week 4. So the full name of the module is Starting a Business and Fundamentals of Marketing. The module code for this one is BMM 3013. And so the learning outcome of the session would be to demonstrate your ability to find and draw upon relevant material to show you can undertake simple market research and that you understand the role of marketing in a modern business. So this is learning outcome 2 for this module. And by the end of the session, you will be able to understand what are the useful frameworks and theories, and you will be able to conduct a basic market research and apply that research and the knowledge obtained in real life situations. So we started off this lecture of week 3 with a video about what is marketing, a very fun video. And then we studied what is marketing. We discussed some definitions that marketing is a management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirements profitably, and that it is defined as a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and value with others. Okay, so in simple words, basically marketing is the process of getting people interested in your company's product or services. This happens through market research, analysis, and understanding your ideal customers' interests. Marketing pertains to all aspects of a business, including product development, distribution, methods, sales, and advertising. And then we discussed the very, very basic and main concept of marketing, which is called the marketing mix, also commonly known as the 4 Ps. So the marketing mix we studied that it contains of product, price, place, and promotion. That is the reason why it's called the 4 Ps of marketing, more professionally known as marketing mix. After that, we discussed each of the P of the marketing mix individually in detail. If you want further detail of these 4 Ps of the marketing mix, then you can, of course, go to Moodle and refer to the slides of week 3, and you will have all the information that is there and that you require. So product, price, place, and promotion. Then we went on to a group activity where the students were supposed to form into groups and then discuss the following and present the ideas after. So Pringles has lately introduced a new product called Pringles Multigrain. The students were supposed to prepare the marketing mix for Pringles Multigrain. And then we watched a video about target market. And then we discuss what is segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So market segmentation is where the whole market is divided into different segments based on their demographics or other factors, and dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers with different needs, characteristics, or behavior who might require separate products or marketing mixes. Then we discussed what is okay, so the segmentation discussion is in great detail. We discussed that the segmentation can be done in different ways. So it can be geographical segmentation, demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, and behavioral segmentation. And then we watched a video about segmentation here. It was about how to find your target market customer, and it was about McDonald's. Then we discuss what is targeting. So targeting is a process that helps the marketers to target their segment and relevant audience, and directing a company's effort towards serving one or more groups of customers sharing common needs or characteristics. So for example, if the segment is men's products, then the target would be to attract men towards the products and services through the right promotion. And then we discuss what is positioning. So positioning strategy, which is also known as a market or brand positioning strategy, is a type of marketing strategy that focuses on distinguishing a brand from its competitors. So here we discussed how positioning is done. And then we did a group activity where in a group of three students. The students were supposed to pick one of the businesses that were mentioned under the statement and to determine its segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So the businesses that were given to the students were Primark, Zara, Tommy Hilfiger, and Gucci. So that was all about week 3. Let's move on to week 4. So in week 4, we covered again the learning outcome 2. And by the end of the session, the students were able to understand what are the useful framework and theories, the same thing. It's still in the continuation of the week 3 slides, the week 3 lecture, conducting basic market research and apply all the things that have been learned into the real life situations. So here we studied the assignment brief. So we discussed that the assessment for the semester 1 would be 50% of the total grade, and it will be a marketing plan poster presentation, and the student would have to discuss all or cover all 4 of the learning outcomes in this assessment, in this poster plan. And this is a little bit of the structure. So the student will have to make a poster which will contain a business plan or a marketing plan. And the student will need to discuss the following. So what the business is. So they will have to think about a business, come up with a business idea, and they will discuss what that business idea is. They will discuss their vision, objective, and goals for that business. Then they will discuss their own backgrounds and expertise in that relevant field. Then they will conduct a SWOT analysis, and then they will display an understanding of market, target market, competition, and marketing mix, which is the 4 Ps, and then the investment needed to and the financing opportunities for that particular business idea. So this was the assignment brief. And then we discussed, the things like what do the students need to pass. We discussed the marking criteria, and then we discussed then we discussed the further topics. So then we discussed what is business finance. So business finance is the funding a business needs for commercial purposes. It is the money business owners require to start, run, or expand a business. Finance is the foundation of any business. It is nearly impossible to succeed without strong finances in place. Finance is used to purchase assets, goods, and raw materials, essentially anything that will push the business forward. Then we discussed some principles of business finance. So there's investment principle, financial principle, and dividend principle. Then we discussed these 3 principles in further detail. Since it's a summary video, I will not be explaining every single thing in very, very much of a detail. You will, of course, have to go back to Moodle, and you will have to find the week 4 slides in order to understand these topics better. So after this, we discussed the financial opportunities. We discussed that financial opportunities are important for business in management because they provide the necessary funding to start and grow a business. And then we discussed some of the reasons why these financial opportunities are necessary. So, for example, for the startup costs, for growth and expansion, for cash flow, and for risk management. Then we discussed the financial opportunities in further detail, and then we did a class activity in which we divided the students into group of three, and then they were supposed to discuss and come up with any 3 financial opportunities for their own business idea. So this was all about week 3 and 4. I hope you understood a little bit. You got some understanding of the lectures, and for further detail, you can go to Moodle and you can revise from there. You can access the lecture slides from there, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for listening. Bye.